Here's a screen capture of my PC as it's running the loop demo that you saw in the previous video. Probably be able to hear the engines. They're on the floor here, just about 10 feet away from the computer. As each window comes up on the screen, I'll try to explain what that window is doing. So the first order of business is starting up the program and connecting up to the TIU, opening the program control screen and starting the actual demo. First, all three engines are started up. Their RTC operations windows are put up on the screen. Engine 1, Engine 2, and engine number 13 are the three engines that I have on the track. So the first step is for the computer to start up all three engines at exactly the same speed, let them run around the track and be detected by the RFID train detectors. As you can see on the operation windows, all three trains have started up at 12 scale miles per hour. As the tags are detected, they are displayed in the tag monitor. Also, a cumulative tag detection list is kept in the bottom window where it says tags detected. I have right now on these three trains, I have a total of 9 tags. So there should end up being a total of 9 tags shown in the bottom window. The top window of the tag monitor is real time, so that shows the tags coming in real time. The program in the engines box here is counting the number of engines that it's detected. So it's counted now 2 engines. It's detected 2 engines. The tag list count is at 9, which shows that it has actually seen now all 9 tags that are on the 3 trains. Now it's detected the 3rd engine, so all 3 engines are detected. The program doesn't know there still might be more engines out there, so it continues to run the trains in the loop until it detects the 1st engine again. Once it's detected the 1st engine, then it knows it's detected all of the engines on the loop. Speeds the engines up a little bit just as an indication that it has completed the detections. You can see all the engines have been increased to 20 scale miles per hour. So the program knows now that there are 3 engines. There are 3 tag detectors under the track. So it's going to run the 3 engines until each is over one of the 3 tag detectors. At that point, it stops them. So you can see all the speeds now have gone to 0. So now the program knows where the 3 engines are. That is, they are over the detectors. It knows which one is over which detector. And now it starts them up. And this is the looping part of the demonstration. The program will run each train forward until it gets over the next tag detector and then stop it. So one engine is now over a tag detector. You can see its speed has been set to 0. The second engine has just gone over a tag detector. And in a second, the third engine now has gone over a tag detector. So it's moved the engines up one detector. And now this loop program will continue to do that forever. So it's a great little program, I think, for a open house, which I'm having here in a few weeks, just after the holidays. I hope to be able to now move these tag detectors and my program into the train room and get this running actually on my layout. My layout being a bit larger than the loop of track I have here on the floor means the engines will get a chance to run a little more as they go from one tag to the next tag. So I'll let it run up until the 3 engines are stopped again, and that'll complete this video.